ing pamikawani. Mamalis ko pala, kengkekong tuknaan, papuntang malawot, aliwang balayan. Ulang lilipat destino'y tatang, tana ko maliswas, magal sa balutan. Napun keng graduasyon, nung balo musana, ing luwaring mata ko, aliku adala, pilit tutuluken kana kung imalan, kuayag wanda, nan kumang labanan. Layon may babalik, napon nakaduana, akong kasanggarong gustong mag-folk dance na, ikatang pambato kengkega na gana, matula langandeng, manalpe kekata. Mipagduweto katang maralas keng kanta, lakwas na paustong ati ng programa, dimlaning suwala mo, tunay makayama, papaduyang puso at babye ligaya. Manibat king wambi, ako nang magdala, karengke kang libro ng lalakad kata, ng korso nada kong magikwento keka, aldoldo keng dalan, pakyal nananda ka. Mamyalong keng mula, panetang gagawan, maging takapsilim, maging salikutan, masimpan itikeng kakong kaisipan, nang bububod samyo keng kaligayahan. 11 anyos ka pa, matuwa kong pabanwa, maranon kang linog, grade 1 keng eskwela, dapat makanyan man, kaya katamemunga, sintang mikailangan, at alam kapara. Uling para ka ako, malago kang dili, alani metong mang milaba sa bengi, kamo sa sunlag keng kakong paninap, kikislap keng hinhin, anting alipatpat. Bala ko pangosa, ang ganang kwarto anyo, mikaklase katang miabetes kat kwarto, makanano kaya keng bula ng Hunyo, at keng kabiluga ng Panga High School ko. Keng kayang terakan potang senior prom na, ninong keng siping kung kakong kapareha, kalulong puso ko magkunwari niya mo, ikang makasable karening bago ko. Piyong liliwan ko yung muning leguan mo, lambis sa biniye mo, puso ko mesuelo, pangako ko keka, era kakalimuan, ang gaking mateko, lugod ko keka na. Aniya samantalang samalang mangarga, keng lalam ning balag, ako ang poy ka, keng glider aduyan, miyarapan kata, at mipagkwentuan, antimo ing sadya. Kabang maili kata, alam makibalo, keng darap kanda, maglimbang kata mo, sangkan tamong, kanwari matula, agyang deng matata, mga alelakeng luwa. Ditak ng penandit at mamakona ka, lumipat keng dagat, sanlad keng sambuanga. Amis ko'y lambis mong saresa keng yumo, meke ni bandi ko, aruan meng puso ko. Magpakatatag ka, o kakong kaladwa, miras na yung oras, yari na yung istorya. Mamuneng mama ko, ing sintaning biyeko, matalik kaul, o ita, alaan na yun. During the next couple of years, we were able to exchange letters, but they became more and more seldom as time went by, dwindling until there was no more. Maybe on account of the many school activities, it was pathetic, for I never saw her again after that. I recall vividly how it had been just after we parted, for how can a boy ever forget it? That summer, I and my friends got ourselves circumcised. At the same time, I reached the peak of adolescence. I never had any sweetheart in high school. The relationships I had with girls, even in college, were largely platonic. I had been teaching English literature for some 10 years already when I met the girl who became my wife. Now old and gray and retired, I am again alone and living the life of a lonely widower, my wife having passed away a decade ago. She left me with 12 beautiful children, now all married and with children of their own. Sometimes in the hush of night, when I couldn't sleep, I would recall my life as a kid and think of that girl of my dreams. I would think of how life would have been if she and her family had not moved to another place, how it would have been if it was the two of us together. Very often, I would also dream of her and I would wake up with an ecstatic feeling and then followed with sentiments and tears. So much water has run under the bridge of life since we parted. Sometimes I wonder what kind of life she may have had during all these years, or if she even ever thought of me too from time to time. I still keep in a safe place the golden plastic ring she got free from a candy and which she had slipped into my finger when we were in 5th grade. I wonder if she has also kept the plastic one I gave her. And I wonder if she still has that diary she used to write on. I was the hero in it for all I know, and which preserved the memories we had as classmates. I wrote her a few years ago, but my letters came back.